Let's show them the dish.
Want some lemon? Then we're gonna put it in.
And I'm gonna get some more. See you in a little bit. Uy, nyo. Li manok. Okay.
I love you.
Akong tudon na siya magluto tacos. So here's face it to her. So the ingredients are
Salt, pepper.
so we need to cherish it's a spice Creole
And
seasoning.
Then onion, and then what's this?
It's just a diced jalapeno,
Diced
diced chilies, and then some
beef roast.
beef or chicken flavor. So now
And we
kay
have
baboy, pork chop, baboy.
and tortillas.
Tortillas, that's for
We're
Lynn.
gonna put in here all of them, not the tortillas.
So first, what we're gonna do first. So we're gonna make a rub for the. Let me take off my. Ang kalunin mo ang iyong relo. Put your sleeves up so it's not doesn't get dirty. And I'm gonna put it in the fridge because.
That would get old quick.
Yep, that's right.
Dirty as these? Nope. No.
So me and Shallow are gonna first make a rub. We're gonna wash the.
The meat.
Wash the meat and rub.
Wash the meat and then I'm gonna put it in the sink. My mom's washing the baboy.
Baboy is pork. Baboy will take Shallow. It's called carne Shallow. Carne. When the pig is slaughtered, it's called carne. But when the pig is alive, it's called baboy. Pig is a baboy. And
The meat is
dry.
half.
Dry it off.
Dry it out so it's ready. And we're gonna make meat tacos. Kind of funny. Drying off our meat. Drying off the meat so we can put it in the pot. Put all
Actually,
the-
have to rub it with let's rub it over plate. We're gonna rub
some salt,
salt is called asin, Shiloh, asin.
asin. We're gonna rub some asin on the meat.
Wait, asin and
Ah.
paminta is pepper.
Oh, you mean pepper first?
It doesn't matter.
I'm gonna do. We can try.
Too much salt, Shiloh.
I'm gonna put it like that. That's me.
Your
I
hands
got
are dirty now, Shiloh.
I can still do more.
Let's show you how.
How we put the meat.
I'm teaching Shiloh how to do it. So let's.
Whoa,
some
that's a lot of salt.
Not really. I'm gonna put some Italian salutatori's.
It looks so cool.
And put some pepper. Shadow. They like the shadow. There's the end. I don't want it to be too salty, so I'm not
And
gonna.
too peppery.
Is that good? So what we're gonna do next is. Well, here's Naomi. She's gonna be joining us. Introducing.
It's meat. It's meat with
Don't touch-
pepper, salutatori's, and salt. And then we add some of this. We're making meat tacos.
Where is the
It's a
opener?
kind of like special dish.
Where's the can opener?
Can opener? I wonder. I've seen it before. Is it? Oh my god.
There's a can
You
opener.
might have to get away from that. The onion would make you cry.
Well, because we don't have a can opener in my house.
Let's just use that. Yummy.
I'm just gonna open it with a knife. My husband doesn't like me doing this. He thinks it's dangerous. I get the usual. I don't know where our can opener is. So
It might be in the drawer, Mommy.
this is like the secret ingredient, the diced chilies, so you don't have to use jalapenos.
I'm gonna have my mom and you. I'm gonna cook a new dish. I read the meat too.
Oh, and I'm gonna cut this out.
Ew! And we're gonna
So
put
this is
onion.
gonna make you cry. So
Oh
better
man, no,
close
we
your
better
eyes.
go away now.
It's okay, Shiloh. It's okay.
Mom is gonna make you cry.
Just close your eyes. And just use half of the cooked onion. It's okay, Naomi.
That thing's not making me cry.
Okay, let's see.
No, we don't get here. You can smell it. It's gonna
So,
make
ang
you
tawag
cry.
aning onion Naomi, Shiloh kay Bombay. Say Bombay.
Bombay. Yeah, tell me when I can get out.
Get it out to me.
Now, Mom, she's gonna get cry.
I'll put it inside.
Then we're gonna put it in.
And I'm gonna small one because I'm going to big onions.
Huh? The onions are. You put the ABCDs down.
So we're done with the onions, and we're just gonna sprinkle it on top of the.
On
Here,
top of the meat.
sprinkle it on
I
top of
want
the
to
meat.
wait.
Okay, sprinkle it on top of the meat, guys. Evenly,
Hey,
please.
Yummy, hold it.
Sprinkle it even. It's fine. Here, Yumi, you could like sprinkle this diced.
You want to sprinkle it?
This is the diced chilies. Diced chilies, you sprinkle it all on top of the meat.
On top of the meat. On top of the meat. On top of the meat.
Sprinkle it evenly, girl.
Mom, she's only spreading the sauce.
Okay, that's good. You're spreading it. That's good. Is there any more? Use all of it. Good
Come on,
job.
Yummy, you gotta do it here, there.
Let me see.
It's everywhere.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Abe, I thought you wanted to watch Luca, Abe.
Yay. Go watch your Luca. Go away. Go away.
Shallow, be kind to your brother, Shallow.
Mom, why we have to have two kids next to us now?
Because they want to help. They're little helpers. I think-
Yummy. I'm Yummy.
What's your name?
Abraham?
Chubby
I
little
better name, yeah. And now we're gonna have to go away. This thing's gonna stink up and we have to go away.
I'm not sure if it is still any good.
Lemon? I want to squirt it. Yeah. Okay, first let's go. Now me can squirt it.
Okay, squirt the lemons. Naomi, don't lick it, goofball.
Hey, you're getting me wet.
Okay, not too much, please. That's good. Do it right, like.
Hey, I want to lick it.
I'm gonna put a little bit of water in it. Here, you can have the rest. Me, I guess you can. Now they want the rest. Alright. Okay, now all we need to do, what do you think are we missing? Unsay kulang.
Okay, I give up. I'm crying.
Unsay ako nalimta.
I didn't cry.
He said, I'm not gonna cry. So what are we missing?
We're missing taco shells.
No water. It's supposed to be orange juice, but we don't have orange juice and we already put lemon in it. So I'm gonna put a cup of water.
Hey.
And this is gonna cook for a long time. It takes 7 hours to cook, so we're not gonna eat lunch until 1 o'clock.
Oh, that's okay.
So that's 1/4.
Why your nose is red? Sorry, the onion.
Bombay. The Bombay. Okay, I think we got it all.
Yeah,
I'm
we
gonna show
did.
them for the last time. Show them the dish.
Want some lemon?
Show them the dish. Here's our poor
Would you like some
carnitas.
lemon? I'm just kidding.
Okay. Let's close it.
Lemon.
And then who wants to turn on the bottom? Abe's gonna turn on the bottom. Okay, you could turn on the on button, Shiloh, and Naomi could turn on the high.
On?
Okay, turn it on. Okay, and then we're gonna put it. It's already on high.
Hey, I wanna put it on.
We're gonna wait. We're gonna cook it for 8 hours. Press 8 hours. Oh, it's never mind. This is the bottom anyway. You gotta just look at it. So we're cooking on high because we want to eat soon.
We want to eat soon.
All right.
This
That's good. Oh no, 10 hours.
Subscribe to our video.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
I will show you later how it looks like when it's done. I gotta shred it and then we're gonna fry it a little bit. And that's our meal. It's quick and easy meal. Say bye, guys.
Bye guys.
See you in a little bit. See you in 8 hours.
See you in 8 hours.
Her lemon.
Be on my teeth. No.
Let me in ng lemon. It's good for you. It has vitamin C.
It's so sour.
Sour is aslum.
Shallow just chunked
Say aslum.
Shallow.
Naomi, sour is aslum. Say aslum. Say aslum, girl.
I like lemon. I love lemon. Lemonade gives you vitamin C.
Sige dong, paningkamot dong. Unsay ako tawag sa imong mga bago, Shiloh?
I never wanted.
Dali na. Dali na. Dali na. Dali, manok. Okay.
I love you.
Hey, that's Naomi's fault. Okay, shh, Naomi.
It was good. Meat is in. And it was good. The evening and the morning were the third days.
Good job, Ate Shiloh. So sila gusto mo tanaw Cinderella, daan nga Cinderella.
Mama, I thought it's
Is it good, Yomi? Yomi likes it. Make a taco. Imo kong gilutuan dong. Sama ni? Saging. Nanya. Mais. Oh no, don't eat it. It's pretend. Atik lang dong. Like this. Hey, what are you doing, Nyonya? What are you doing, silly? Hey, don't make him mad. Huh? It's a licorice. I don't like it. But you can have it. Unahan ka, Abe? Licorice.